Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to our coop. Today we got a product from GrubTerra we're going to try out and see how it works. GrubTerra Chicken Coop Refresher. The best part is it's made in the USA. It's rosemary and thyme and you get a 15-week supply. It's non-toxic and non-abrasive. It's entirely safe for both animals and humans, providing a worry-free environment. Crafted with meticulously chosen aromatic essential oils, our deodorizer combats even the most intense chicken coop odors, leaving a pleasant and fresh fragrance. Today's coop cleaning day. We always put lime down on the bottom and then pine shavings on top. They're all coming in. There's some over here eating. We got our shavings down. Fresh, clean coop. Still got a couple outside. They'll be coming in here real soon. So most of our chickens are red sex links. There's a couple black ones, and there's a few Rhode Island reds. Merle here, our rooster, he's a Rhode Island red. Say hello. Yeah, he's getting nervous. He protects his girls. All right, guys. Sorry I missed it. I just kind of evenly distributed it through the whole building here. I can't have a camera malfunction. So anyhow, we spread it around. It smells really good in here. So we'll see how it works. All right, guys. We're doing our chores. Let's go over here. Alan's collecting eggs. So how does it smell in here?
Like a field of wildflowers.
It does. It smells really good. The chicken's all roosted. All right, guys. So, hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to go check out GrubTerra Chicken Coop Refresher, because it really works. It smells great in here.